Finn was a shy young fox who loved reading books and drawing pictures. His family had just moved to a new town, and today was his first day at Forest Valley School. As Finn walked through the big school gates, his heart beat fast and his paws felt cold. In the classroom, Finn sat quietly at his desk near the window. The other students were laughing and talking together. A friendly rabbit named Ruby smiled at Finn, but he was too nervous to smile back. He looked down at his desk and wished he could disappear. At lunchtime, Finn sat alone at a table in the corner of the cafeteria. He watched the other students playing games and sharing their food. A group of students were playing cards at the next table. Finn wanted to join them, but he didn't know how to ask. After lunch, the students went outside for break time. Finn stood under a big oak tree, watching everyone play. Suddenly, a soccer ball rolled right to his feet. A cheerful squirrel named Sam ran over. "Hey, can you kick it back?" Sam asked with a big smile. Finn's paws shook a little, but he kicked the ball back to Sam. "Thanks, do you want to play with us?" Sam asked. Finn opened his mouth, but no words came out. He shook his head slowly. Sam smiled kindly and said, "Maybe next time." Then he ran back to his friends. That evening, Finn felt sad. His mother noticed and asked what was wrong. "I want to make friends, but I'm too scared to talk," Finn said quietly. His mother hugged him and said, "Making friends is scary at first. But remember, everyone feels nervous sometimes. Tomorrow, try saying just one word, then maybe 2 words the next day." The next morning, Finn made a plan. When Ruby the rabbit said good morning, Finn took a deep breath and whispered, "Hello." Ruby's face lit up. "I love your green scarf," she said. Finn felt a tiny bit braver. "Thank you," he replied, and his voice was a little stronger this time. At lunch, Sam the squirrel came to Finn's table. "Want to sit with us today?" he asked. Finn's heart raced, but he remembered his mother's words. "Yes," Finn said, "I would like that." He followed Sam to a table where Ruby and other friendly students were sitting. The students at the table were talking about their favorite games and hobbies. "What do you like to do, Finn?" Ruby asked. Finn thought for a moment. "I like to draw," he said quietly. Sam's eyes got big. "Really? I love drawing too. Can you show me your drawings sometime?" After school, Finn walked home with a smile on his face. He had talked to 3 new friends today. It wasn't easy, but he had been brave. He couldn't wait to tell his mother about his day. Tomorrow, he would try to say even more words. Maybe he would even play soccer with Sam. Weeks passed, and Finn was no longer the shy fox who sat alone. He played soccer at break time, drew pictures with Sam, and ate lunch with Ruby and his new friends every day. Finn learned that making friends takes courage, but it's worth it. Sometimes, all you need to do is say hello.